Zumba, did you know it's actually possible to create multiple people talking in the same video just from your phone?
Wait, hold on. On mobile? Lottie, I thought you needed some crazy desktop setup for that.
Nope, all on mobile. You can literally make full conversations, characters bouncing off each other like we're doing right now.
That's insane. So I could start a podcast channel with nothing but my phone?
Exactly. A podcast, a talk show, whatever you want. You don't need a studio or mics anymore,
Wow, that changes everything.
right? And the best part, it still looks pro.
Okay, Lottie, now you have to show me how to set this up, girl.
Don't worry, Zumba, I got you. So we come over to design. I know it's not mobile friendly, but I found a way that you can still use it. Now, as you can see, they have tons of tools on here, and I've seen this heavily advertised on YouTube, so I decided to make a video for us mobile users. Down in the bottom, right there, you're going to click that. Then click the three little dots. Now it's going to open up a list. You are going to click Request Desktop Website. I'm already on desktop, so it would say mobile website, but you're going to click that. Once you click that, it will let you access anything on the site design. Now, if you don't have an image of multiple characters that you want to use, I can show you how to create one on design. You're going to click Text to Image. Once you're in Text to Image, it brings you over here. Now you have to pick a model for your image. So you pick a model, you put in a prompt, and that's pretty much it. So now you're going to click where it says Nano Banana, and then it opens up a list of models you can use. Turn your phone so you can see them all, just like this. And now you can see all of the models. It has Nano Banana, Kling, but today we're going to use Sea Dream 4.0. Great image generator. I've already put in my prompt of what image I want. Now you can keep the prompt improver on if you like, but that's up to you. Output quality, 2K or 4K, and your aspect ratio, which is going to be 16:9. Now, once you click submit, this is important. You have to click the X at the top. Then it will show you where your image is generating. Once your image is done, this is what it will look like. This is what my image will look like. So I love it. Now you're going to click lip sync on the bottom of your picture. It's the fourth one down. Click lip sync and it will take you over to the lip sync toolbar. Now, turn the phone because you can't see both faces. When you turn the phone, it will show you both. You select both faces and then you can turn your phone back right. Now, after you're done, you're going to click next. Now it will take you to the part where you pick a voice. Now, this part is where it gets a little complicated because we are on mobile. Now, they have a bunch of voices you can choose from, or you could upload your own audio. Now, if you do use theirs, you will not be able to shift the voice audio. So I'm just going to show you. I picked Brittany and I said, hey, how's it going? So I'm going to generate the audio, and then it even gives you a preview of what the audio will sound like. Then you add it. Now I'm going to do the second voice. And then I'm going to choose Hope, and I'm going to say it's going well. Then you click Generate Audio, and then you add it in after it previews. Now, on the web browser, on a PC or a laptop, you can shift the voices, but on mobile, you cannot. Where the first voice ends, the second voice should start, so it's impossible. So you're going to come over to ChatGPT. I asked for a back and forth conversation between two women, and I gave them a topic, and they gave me this. Today, we're using 11 Labs to get the voices that we need. When you make a free account with 11 Labs, it gives you 10,000 credits, which is pretty awesome and gets a lot done. So you're going to click Instant Speech. Once you're in Instant Speech, you're going to copy all of Woman 1 dialogue over here. So I already copied the first part, then you copy the second part, and then you copy the third part. All of Woman 1's dialogue. Once you have them all done, you're going to choose a voice. I'm going to keep Rachel and I'm going to generate speech. Takes a couple seconds and then you get this. Once you have it done, you click download and then it goes right to your phone. Once you're done, you're going to do the same thing for Woman 2. You're going to copy all of her dialogue and bring it over. Once you're done, you're going to choose a different voice because you don't want her to sound the same. And then you're going to generate that voice with the woman two's dialogue. And then you're going to download
Those AI conversations, like 2 or 3 characters.
Once you're done, you're going to go over to either VN or CapCut. This is where we're going to mock up a conversational dialogue. Now, you're going to go to sounds and you're going to upload the first woman's voiceover. So you click device and you go in, it says girl 1, that's what I named it. And then you're going to also upload girl 2 because you're going to need that one too. Then you're going to paste in 1 and you're going to separate the voiceover whenever she stops talking for the other woman to talk. This part is pretty easy. Everywhere the voiceover audio isn't active on the audio line, you're going to split it because that's where the second woman comes in. I hope I'm making this as clear as possible. If not, make sure you ask me down in the comments. Now, once all girl 1 is done, you're going to upload girl number 2's audio. So now we can make it a conversation. You're going to do the same thing for girl 2 where you split it wherever the audio isn't talking. So you're just going to do that. See how easy this part is? Very easy. I know you probably were going to think it was going to be very long. It's not. Now you're going to shift the audios so that girl 1, girl 2, girl 1, girl 2, so that it looks like a conversation, as I've been saying. So now it's going to look and sound like it.
AI conversations.
She's showing people.
That is amazing. Now, to get the back and forth for design, you're going to turn down all girl 2. Keep girl 1 volume up. Turn girl 2's all down. You want girl 1 up, girl 2's down. You keep doing it until your audio's over. Then it's going to sound like this. So the pauses is where girl 2 is talking. Once you're done, you're going to export girl 1's voiceover. Then you're going to go back to the same audio and you're just going to click back, the back button right up in the corner. So it will just put everything back to normal where girl 1 and girl 2 is up. Then you're going to turn up all girl 2 and turn down all girl 1 because now we're doing girl 2's audio track. So then it's going to sound like this. Once you're done, export it. Now, CapCut doesn't let you download just the audio. So you're going to have to go over to VN. Don't worry, it's free and it's easy. It's just an editing app if you haven't used it before. They let you download just the audio. So you upload girl 1's audio track and then export audio only. You're probably like, why are we doing this? Because Dzine doesn't let you upload audio tracks when it's an MP4 video. Once you're done with girl 1's audio, you're going to save it under girl 1 or girl 1.1, whatever you choose. Then you're going to go back and you're going to upload girl 2's. But remember, audio only, export, and then you're going to name this one girl 2. 2 doesn't matter. Now you can go back over to Dzine and upload the audios. Girl 1, you're going to upload her audio first because you clicked her first. And then you're going to upload girl 2's audio. You just click where it says pick a voice, where it says next to speaker B, which is girl 2. And then you upload her audio, which is girl 2 too. Now you have them both and it will sound like this.
Zumba, did you
So
know
now they're
it's
going back
actually
and
possible
forth.
to create
Once you're
multiple
done, you're going to make sure that you're on Pro, not just generate mode. Once it says submitted, remember you click X, and this is the video once it's done.
Did you hear about Lottie's school?
Wait, you mean those AI conversations?
She's showing people how to make videos where multiple people talk, right from your phone.
Like 2 or 3 characters actually going back and forth? That's crazy.
Yep. She uses Dzine in the browser, no app needed. You just type the script and the characters come alive.
And she's teaching all of that inside her school?
Exactly. It's like a shortcut into the future of creating content.
Okay, I'm joining her.
That turned out really well, if I do say so myself, especially for using mobile. Once you're done, you're going to click download. Now you can make these videos longer if you like, make them shorter, it's all up to you. Once you click download, it's right in your files on your phone. Now, it doesn't have to be just an image. You can even make a video talk. Once you're in Design again, you're going to click AI video. If you already have an image, that's great because now it's not so many steps. But you can use text to video also. But I already have an image. So you're going to click your model. You just click where it says Kling 2.1 and it shows you all these video generator models, which is pretty awesome. I'm going to keep it at Kling 2.5 Turbo. I think this one is the best. Then you're going to pick an image, which I already have. This is the image I have. So I clearly want them running on the treadmill talking. And then you're going to describe what you want them to do. I already have a prompt. It just says them running on the treadmill while talking. So then you keep the imagination the same, put the duration at 10. You can do 5 if you like, but I like 10. Remember, you can use text to video or image to video. Once you're done, you're going to click generate it. Once it's submitted, you go up and you click the X so you can see where it's generating. It will usually tell you how many minutes you have, 5 to 10 minutes. Obviously, I skipped that. Here is the video and what it will look like. Look at this. That looks really good, right? Hair bouncing, they're running at the same pace. Now, on the video, you're going to click where it says lip sync because this is where we're going to give them voices. We're going to use the exact same voices we already used just so I can show you an example. If you already have your video made, you can just upload the video, but I was just showing you how you take an image to video on Design. Just click upload video instead of upload image. Once you have the video up, you can see that both faces are shown so you don't have to tilt your phone. You click both faces and then you click next. Then it will take you to the same place it took you the first time when you did image. Pick the voice. Of course, speaker A is going to be speaker 1, well, girl 1 in the files that we already created. We're going to upload that, and then we're going to upload girl 2 with speaker B. Once they're both uploaded, it should sound like this once the video's done, just like the image. Of course, you can use other voices. I'm just using these ones because I'm showing you an example. Make sure you're on Pro, then generate your lip sync video. Remember to always click the X after you generate because you're probably wondering where your video is. So once you're done, you're going to have this type of video.
Did you hear about Lottie's school?
Wait, you mean those AI conversations?
She's showing people how to make videos where multiple people talk, right from your phone.
Like 2 or 3 characters?
So even though us mobile creators on a budget are limited, we always find a way to make it work. And if I can do it right here from my phone, you can too. Stick around, subscribe, and let's keep creating together.